Wow, just look at this place. It's full of colors, smells, sounds, and friendly faces. Today, I'm on a mission to find the perfect souvenirs for my friends and family. But I'm also here for something more than shopping. I want to connect with people. I want to learn. I love markets like this. You don't just walk in and buy something. You explore. You talk to the vendors, ask questions, and sometimes you bargain. Do you know what bargain means? To bargain means to talk about the price of something and try to make it a little lower. But not in a rude or pushy way, no. Bargaining here is part of the culture. It's about respect, smiles, and a little friendly fun. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. Would you like to look?
Yes, thank you. These animals are beautiful. What are they made of?
They're made of local wood. My brother carves them by hand.
Wow, really? That's amazing. I love this small elephant. It's so detailed. Did your brother make this one too?
Yes, he did. Every piece is handmade.
I really like this elephant. How much is it?
That one is $20.
Hmm, it's beautiful, but a little more than I expected. Would you be okay with $15?
Mm, I can't do $15, but I can give it to you for $18. Final price.
Okay, that sounds fair. I'll take it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's lovely. That first experience was so nice. The vendor was kind, and I really love my little elephant. But I still have a few people to buy for. Let's keep exploring. Oh, wow. These scarves are beautiful.
Thank you. All made by hand. You like this one?
Yes, it's gorgeous. Is it cotton?
Yes, 100% cotton. Very soft, made in the village.
It feels amazing. How much is this?
That one is $25.
It's beautiful, but I'm on a small travel budget. Would $15 be okay?
I can do $20.
That's a little high for me. How about 18?
Okay, 18 is good, just for you.
Deal. Thank you so much. It's for my mom. She'll love it.
Here you go. I hope your mom likes it.
I'm sure she will. Thank you again. 2 souvenirs, 2 stories, and each one feels special because of the people behind them. Just one more thing. I'd love to find something small for my friend Lily. She loves bracelets and handmade jewelry. Let's see what I can find. Hi there. These are lovely. So many beautiful colors and designs. Did you make them yourself? Yes, all handmade with beads, thread, and love. I make them at home in the evenings. This one is so pretty. I love the colors. Turquoise is my favorite. It feels really well made, too. Thank you. That one is popular. I made it last week. The pattern is inspired by traditional designs from my village. That's amazing! I can see the detail. It would be perfect for my friend Lily. She loves unique jewelry. Then it's a great gift. I hope she will wear it often. I think she will. How much is it? That one is $12. It's beautiful, and I really love it, but I'm trying to stay within my travel budget. Would $9 be okay?
$9 is a bit low. How about $10? It's a good price, and I'll wrap it nicely for you.
You've got a deal. Thank you, it's perfect. And I appreciate you making it by hand.
Of course. Here you go, safe in this little bag. I hope your friend loves it as much as you do.
Thank you so much. It was lovely meeting you.
And you. Enjoy the rest of your shopping and have a wonderful trip.
Thanks. You too. Take care. 3 souvenirs, 3 kind people, and so many beautiful moments. I didn't just shop. I learned, I laughed, and I connected. That's the magic of traveling with open eyes and a kind heart. Now, let's look back at some of the useful words and phrases we used. These are words you'll hear a lot in markets, shops, and real-life travel situations. Let's go over them together and make sure you know how to use them confidently. Souvenir. It means a small item you buy to remember a place or trip. I bought this wooden elephant as a souvenir from the market. Souvenirs are often handmade and carry cultural meaning. Bargain. To talk politely about the price and try to lower it. Emma bargained for a better price on the scarf. In many cultures, bargaining is friendly and expected at local markets. Vendor. A person who sells goods, especially at a market or stall. The vendor made the bracelet by hand. Vendors are often the creators of their products, so talking with them is part of the experience. Handmade. Made by a person, not by a machine. Example: all of the jewelry was handmade using beads and thread. Handmade items often have small differences, which makes them special. Fair price. A price that feels good for both the buyer and the seller. We agreed on $10. It felt like a fair price. When bargaining, the goal is not to win, but to find a fair price together. Gift or present. Something you give to someone to show love or appreciation. I bought this scarf as a gift for my mom. Saying why you chose the gift makes it even more meaningful. Budget. A plan for how much money you can spend. I really liked the bracelet, but I had to stay within my travel budget. Saying, "I'm on a small budget," is a polite way to let someone know you can't spend too much. Wrap. To cover or package something, usually as a gift. Example: the vendor wrapped the bracelet in a small fabric pouch. In markets, many vendors will wrap souvenirs for you, especially if you say it's a gift. What a wonderful day at the market! I found souvenirs, practiced polite bargaining, and learned so much about the culture. Now it's your turn. Have you ever gone souvenir shopping in another country? Did you try bargaining? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And don't forget to practice today's phrases. They'll make your shopping experiences smoother and more fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next adventure.